Non-circular welded steel tubes, primarily square and rectangular profiles, are favored for their high strength-to-weight ratio, ease of fabrication, and aesthetic appeal. Their flat surfaces simplify joining, making them a staple in structural and mechanical design. Accordingly, they are utilized in several applications such as construction and infrastructure, automotive and transportation, industrial and heavy machinery, commercial and domestic goods, energy and public facilities. Square and rectangular welded steel tubes are primarily manufactured through a specialized cold-forming process that transforms a flat steel strip into the desired geometric shape. The process begins with a flat, hot-rolled or cold-rolled steel coil. The master coil is slit into stripes of a precise width that matches the required perimeter of the final non-circular tube. The flat strip is fed through a forming mill consisting of several stands of precision-engineered rollers. The first few sets of rollers gradually bend the edges of the strip upward. After that, the strip is first formed into a circular tube. This optimizes the integrity of the weld and the overall quality of the tube, resulting in superior welding performance and even stress distribution. Then the edges are brought together to form an open longitudinal seam. The seam is permanently sealed using one of several high-speed welding methods: electric resistance, TIG, laser, or plasma welding. Following the welding process, the external weld bead is scraped off to create a smooth surface. The welded circular tube passes through a series of 4 roll shaping stands, often called turkey's head rollers. These stands apply pressure from 4 directions to flatten the round sides into straight edges and sharp corners, creating the final square or rectangular profile. Sizing rolls ensure the tube meets strict tolerances for outside dimensions and wall thickness. A flying saw or shear cuts the continuous tube into specified lengths without stopping the production line. The finished tubes may be used in any of the following applications. In construction and infrastructure, they may be used in structural frameworks as load-bearing columns and beams in commercial and residential buildings. Roof and wall systems such as roof trusses, space frames, and purlins for large-span structures. And architectural features like balustrades and decorative facades. In automotive and transportation, non-circular tubes may be used in chassis and frame manufacturing as the core structural components for commercial vehicles, truck chassis beams, and cargo box frames. Also, it may be found in battery pack housings for electric vehicles. In industrial and heavy machinery, they may be used in equipment frames manufacturing to form the rigid base and frames for CNC machine tools and industrial robots. Also in construction machinery, they are critical frames on cranes. Moreover, they are used in agricultural equipment to build frames for plows. In commercial and domestic goods, non-circular tubes are used in furniture manufacturing for modern bed frames. Storage and logistics, they are widely used in the construction of heavy-duty warehouse racking systems. Also, they are used in health and fitness as they are found in gym equipment such as weightlifting benches and machines, as well as medical furniture like hospital beds. In energy and public facilities, they are used as support structures and guide rails for solar panel mounting systems, as well as employed for streetlight poles, bus shelters, and outdoor signage. In this video, the manufacturing and applications of non-circular welded steel tubes are presented. If you are eager to learn more about industrial processes, stay tuned, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alarm to be notified of the new videos. Thanks for watching. Your feedback is appreciated, so please comment on this video. And if you like it, give a thumbs up and share it. See you again.